Okay, little algebra quickie here. X times x minus 1 equals x plus 3. So I'm going to multiply these brackets out. X times x gives me x squared, and x times minus 1 gives me minus x. And that's equal to x plus 3. So it's going to be a quadratic equation. It's got x squared in it. And when I've got a quadratic equation, I like it to be arranged as all of the x stuff and any odd numbers on the left equals 0 on the right. So I need to get rid of all of this stuff on the right. So first of all, I'm going to take away x to make the x disappear. So I need to take away x from the other side as well. So I'm going to have x squared. Well, I've already got minus x, so I'm now going to have minus 2x. I now need to take away the 3. So I'm going to take away the 3 so that I've got 0 on the right, but I need to take away 3 on the left as well. So x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now I've got a quadratic equation arranged how I like it. I can use, for example, the formula on it. So if I use the formula, I've got a equals 1 because I've got 1x squared there. I've got minus 2x, so b is minus 2. And I've got minus 3 on the end, so c equals minus 3. So I can stick all of those into the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula says x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So let's just stick those a's, b's and c's into that. So x is minus 2. I've got to be careful the minus is there. Plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared. Now I'm going to put minus 2 in a bracket there because I've got to remember that the minus gets squared as well. So it's going to be a minus times a minus. And then it's got minus 4ac, so that's minus 4 times 1 times minus 3. And that's all divided by 2a, all divided by 2 times 1. Okay, so I need to tidy that up a bit. Let's just take that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will get my pen there. There we go. So I've got, oh, not that one though. That one. Yeah. So I've got minus 2, which is just the same as 2, plus or minus the square root of, I've got minus 2 squared, so that's minus 2 times minus 2, which makes plus 4, minus, and then I've got 4 times 1 times minus 3, which is minus 12. So I've got minus 12 in the square root symbol. I need to be a bit careful with that. All over 2 times 1, which is just 2. So I've got 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 12, which is the same as plus, so that's 16, all divided by 2. And the square root of 16 is just 4. So I've got 2 plus or minus 4, all divided by 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6, so I've got 6 divided by 2, or 2 minus 4 is minus 2, so minus 2 divided by 2. So x equals 6 divided by 2, which is 3, or minus 2 divided by 2, which is minus 1. Job done.